Carvago review, my honest user experience with this car buying platform. Buying a car online can be intimidating, but Carvago promises a transparent, hassle-free experience. I tested the platform thoroughly and here's my honest review. Most people think online car marketplaces are unreliable, but the surprising truth is Carvago offers verified listings with detailed vehicle histories. Each car includes photos, inspection reports, and ownership records, which makes decision-making much easier. Using the platform was straightforward. I searched for specific models, applied filters like mileage and price, and compared options side by side. The interface is clean and user-friendly, with clear information on financing and warranty options. Customer support was responsive. I contacted them to clarify shipping and registration details, and the answers were prompt and detailed. Platform also offers assistance with inspection and delivery, reducing the stress of buying a car online. The downside is that delivery fees and additional services can add up, so it's essential to check total costs upfront. Some rare or high-demand models may also have limited availability. In conclusion, Carvago is a solid platform for anyone looking to buy a car online in a transparent and secure way. Its verified listings, detailed information, and responsive support make the experience much smoother than typical marketplaces. If you want to simplify your car buying journey, it's definitely worth exploring.